Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Do you want to revisit a video you liked recently? Maybe you'd like to watch it again or share it with a friend. In this video, I will show you the process of finding all the videos you've liked on YouTube. Let's go. To find your liked videos on the YouTube mobile app, go to the U section located at the bottom of the screen. Under the Playlists section, tap on Liked Videos to see a list of all the videos you've liked, including both YouTube videos and shorts you've enjoyed. Meanwhile, on YouTube's web platform, start by clicking the three-line menu in the upper left corner of the dashboard to open the sidebar menu. From there, expand the U section and click on the Liked Videos option. This will display a list of all the videos and shorts you've liked, which you can browse either as a combined list or by category. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.